What we don't tap into enough with young people is that they have amazing opinions about the world. They have a lot to say and don't always get the opportunity to say it.
This workshop was created as a way of giving young people an opportunity to express their views and their opinions, to give them a voice, and for us as adults to listen to them.
This studio in the city of Belmont, I think not every city has a door that opens into a recording studio. When you put these groups together and you start working on how to be creative and how to use your self-expression and confidence, it's amazing to see what comes out of that.
Kids come in and they're feeling very shy. They often don't know each other, but by the end of the workshop they're all sort of collaborating and coming up with ideas and thinking of ways that they can express their views and their voice.
This is an opportunity for young people to really reach inside themselves and also to tell the community and other people about the way they feel.